Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account and confirming you control recovery options. This prevents lockouts. Once signed in, open Google account personal info and locate the birthday field. Make a screenshot of the current value for records. If you cannot sign in or two-step blocks you, use recovery first. Otherwise, proceed to edit the birthday directly to match official ID or intended date before saving. Now edit the birthday. Click the field, type the correct day, month, and year, then set who can see it. Make sure the date matches any official ID if you expect future verifications. Once done, save and watch for Google's confirmation prompt or email. If the field is locked or grayed out, use the Need Help link or start the account recovery flow to prove identity. This can unlock edit rights after verification. Confirm changes, finish by signing out and signing back in so Google syncs the update across services. Make sure the new birthday appears in Gmail, YouTube, and Google Pay. Once done, record that change. If Google blocks the edit or reverses it, wait up to 48 hours before retrying because rate limits apply. Alternatively, submit the account recovery form with ID proof. If issues persist, check recovery, email/phone, and retry verification steps. Resubmitting the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.